Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and you're at the Hugs World. And today we got a couple of watch faces to check out by my man Broda. He's steady doing his thing. This one here I thought was worthy of a download. So let's go ahead, let's check it out. The name of the watch face is called Broda Classic GT. Nice, sporty looking watch face. You're gonna like this one, people. So let's take a look at it. In the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice look for the Gears 3. It's gonna pretty much look like the watch face when it's on. It's just gonna be dimmed down. You're gonna get a different look for the Gears 2 than you would on the Gears 3, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance. Now, let's take a look at the watch face. Now, I love the hands on this watch face. Looks very sporty, stands out, adds a lot of character to the watch face. You got a nice smooth second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch as well. Now, what you're gonna get right here, floors climb, battery info, gonna get your step status info, and of course you're gonna get your date right here. And yes, it is interactive, so you can tap right there and you can get your calories burned and your step status info as well. I thought that was pretty cool. Now, what I like that he gives you 4 shortcuts to customize. Now, it does not work on the Gears 2, only for the Gear Sport, S3, and the Galaxy Watch. Okay, so with that, let's show you what they are. You got one here, and you got one over here in this dial where your battery is, and also you got one right here, tap on the date, and also right here where floors climbed are is rather, yes, you got 4 shortcuts you can customize. I thought that was super awesome. And if I tap right here, I can customize the watch face a little bit more. And I thought this theme was really, really nice. You can cycle through many different themes. I'm telling you, this guy outdid himself. Let's leave it right there. And if I tap here, I can customize whether I have 60, 12, and yes, I'm telling you, this guy is definitely doing it. If I tap here, I can change the color of the thing and the design. I'm telling you, Broda always does a good job on customizing watch faces. And right here, I can change the 9 and the 3. Tap it again, I can put it 1545. Whatever you want, you can customize this one to your liking, people. Okay, let's check out watch face number 2. But you gotta hit me in the comment section down below and let me know what you thought of this watch face number 2. Now, Broda just brought about another awesome watch face. Now, this one is called Broda Classic Pilot. I like the look of this, very unique design. It's analog watch face / digital, and as you can see it, there's your digital time right there lit up in green. Now, in AOD mode, you're going to get a different look for the Gears 3 compared to the Gears 2, but you'll still be able to get your time at a glance with no problem. Don't worry about that. But let's take a look at the watch face when it's on. I do like the design of this. It is not a bad look at all. Now, here, you got the days of the week. You got your month and your date right here. Over here, you do get your digital time with your step status right up under the bottom. Now, over the time, you're going to get your heart rate information, calories burned information right there. And you're also going to get your goal completed so far as your steps is concerned. And you get a nice little moon phase right there as well. Now, I like the uniqueness in the hands. Stand out. I like the way it glows. And you also got a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which screams premium on any watch face. Now, that's just in my opinion, people. Okay? Now, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the rest of this watch face. Now, you can customize this. Now, as Broda gives it to you, gives you many opportunities to customize this watch face. And here, single tap, I can customize my shortcuts however I see fit right there. Tap on the time. You can do the same thing right there as well, people. Come all the way down with the moon phase, and you can customize there. And also, what the name of the watch face is, you can customize there. So, we're loving the shortcuts. Shortcuts make life a little bit more convenient. You don't have to go deep off into your watch to find the application you need, which isn't bad. But you can customize this watch face by a double tap here. You see the background design. You see the theme. Not bad. Broda always brings the noise when it comes to uniqueness in watch faces. He's not the only one, but he is one of them. Let's tap right here. Wow, this is beautiful, people. I'm telling you, this one is definitely worth the download in the Gear Manager store, in my opinion. Broda, you keep doing your thing, my friend. Now let's check here, because we got one more place. And you can customize it to your heart's content, people. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video, but tell me, what did you think of this watch face? Hit me in the comment section down below. Just give me your thoughts on this one. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.